Global Exterior Experts provided a full roof replacement for my home. Overall experience working with Global was a 10 out of 10. I couldn't ask for anything more. They helped me with getting financing and they helped me with low budget pricing. I've lived here since 2012. The roof was really old. It started giving us trouble. We had some leaks and things of that nature. And Global came out and did a thorough job. Chose Global over competitors because of their reviews, pricing, and the customer service was great. I love my new roof. I get a lot of compliments on my new roof. They cleaned up after they did everything. They did drone shots, aerial views, gave me updates of everything that they found and how they're gonna repair it. Everything was great, service, everything. I would say working with Global, just ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask questions, ask for help. They're willing to help. Like I said, the customer service was great. They direct me in the right path if I needed financing. It was an excellent experience. Looking at everything afterwards, it was like I was amazed, the craftsmanship. Thank you, Global.